Here we've got the Tucano Urbano Athos, which is a great quality leather summer scooter or motorcycle glove. They come in the three colours that we have here. The first one being yellow, which could better be described as brown or caramel, classic black, or beige, which could be better described as tan. They're light to medium weight, made from a very soft, high quality leather with stretch panels on the knuckles, a little protection on the palm, and a Velcro strap to help keep them nice and secure. We think they're a great fit. So if you're looking for a good quality leather summer riding glove, these are the Tucano Urbano Athos, available now in store and online.